This video is how to use and unlock the full potential of your Boombox GTS system. It came out on many Harley models, 2019 and newer. Have no fear. We still have our long-standing Boombox tutorial series that covers your 2014 to 2018 models with that Boombox 6.5 GT, the 4.3, and of course covering your CVO models. You can get it all at any time. lawabidingbiker.com/Hardy Boombox. I will link in the description below. Welcome back, Bikeaholics. Ryan Erlacher here at lawabidingbiker.com. I always thank you for checking back in. That's right, you've landed in a place where you will find the #1 best-selling, most complete tutorial video series on how to use all the different Boombox infotainment systems. We've been going for many years. We continue to keep moving forward with this new Boombox GTS video. And if you're new to the channel, you'll quickly realize that 95% of our content is completely free to you and the entire biker community. Go ahead, search around. We do sell a few videos for obvious reasons. This is one of those videos. We got to keep the lights on after all. But stick around, I think I have some great information for you. And I just want to quickly mention again that anything I talk about in this video, links will be in the description below. lawabidingbiker.com/Hardy Boombox is how you get to our Boombox tutorial video series. So you'll get your new Boombox GTS. You'll quickly realize that there's little to no support from Harley-Davidson on it. There's lack of adequate instructions. And in fact, most dealerships don't know much about it at all. They don't know the limitations or the capabilities. It's not their fault. It's just simple. Harley-Davidson has not really trained their dealerships over the past years on this new system. And that's what I'm here for. You see, we here at Law Abiding Biker Media have spent many years now working with, testing, and fully understanding the Boombox infotainment systems. We just want to share the information with you. And simply put, I'm an everyday biker just like you. I've been teaching the Boombox system to bikers worldwide for many years. That's why I know I have the ability to break it down and put it in a presentation that's easy to understand for everyone. Yeah, even if you think you're not tech savvy, you'll get it. And we're not sponsored by or affiliated with Harley-Davidson. Unofficially, I can tell you that we are the experts, and we're contacted often by dealerships around the world for assistance. In fact, they recommend our Boombox video tutorial series to their customers. In this video, I teach you how to get up and running with the Boombox GTS system. I teach you everything you need to know on how to use the system from beginner, intermediate, all the way to advanced. There are a whole bunch of things that most bikers don't even know the system does. I want to show you how to unlock its full potential. There's a lot of hidden menus, a lot of hidden navigation and things like that, but have no fear. I will get you through it. I will teach you all my tips and tricks so you can most efficiently use the system. And by teaching you the easiest and quickest ways to use the GTS system, it takes the stress out of it for you, and you'll spend less time learning, more time riding. That's always a good thing. And this GTS tutorial video really is going to be your one-stop shop because I dive in really deep. You see, the new Boombox GTS system came out with some new things. One being Apple CarPlay, and there's things you really need to know to get Apple CarPlay to actually work. There are requirements. I'm going to break it down all for you and show you how to use Apple CarPlay. Additionally, I get in depth with both wireless Bluetooth headsets and wired headsets and the limitations of the GTS system, how you can get true stereo sound, and which headsets will actually activate Apple CarPlay. It's all in the tutorial video. And yes, unless you have a CVO model, 2019 or newer, you are going to have to buy a wireless headset interface module for wireless Bluetooth headset connectivity. Have no fear, I break it down. I'll tell you what you need to know inside the tutorial video. And with the new GTS system, they've integrated the Harley-Davidson app for smartphones for iOS or Android. It does integrate nicely with the Boombox. There's some things you can do with it, and they can actually share information. I'll break that down for you too. And I caution you on spending hours of your valuable time scouring less than credible motorcycle forums and websites, as most of the time that information is just dead wrong. I've taken everything, compiled it, and put it in a nice, neat little package for you. And the best part is you can trust the source right here at Law Abiding Biker Media, because we have been the leaders in teaching this system for many years now. And like all of our premium videos, upon purchase, you get immediate access. Our videos stream just like a YouTube video. You can watch it as many times as you want for life on any device with a good internet connection. And I really am committed to help as many bikers as I can learn this boombox system. In fact, I've routinely added new free video files to those that have purchased when major things happen to the boombox system. That way you can stay up to date on it, and that's my commitment to you. And don't forget, if you're a top tier patron member of Law Abiding Biker Media, you get access to premium videos like this upon request. If you want to become a member, you want to get benefits, links in the description below. And after you get comfortable using the GTS, the next video in our series you'll want to get is our boombox software, GPS maps, and dealer location update video. Briefly, that video teaches you how to update the software on your boombox system. You will need to stay on top of that because they are always working out bugs and trying to make it smoother. Let me tell you, it does have bugs right now. The second part to that is your GPS maps. You may want to update your GPS system maps in there, or maybe you want maps for a different part of the world. Of course, we show you how to do all that. It is a little bit of a process, but we'll get you through it. And then last is your dealer locations. We'll teach you how to make sure and upload those into your boombox system so that when you're out and about, you have the latest and greatest dealer locations. And after that, you'll want to get our Harley online ride planner and smartphone app tutorial video. And in that video, we'll teach you how to use the free online ride planner app that Harley-Davidson provides, along with their integrated smartphone app for iOS and Android. And we'll show you how to fully use it to plan a ride, create a map, then download it and upload it, or transfer it via the smartphone app directly to your boombox GTS system. And I want to personally thank you and the entire biker community for the continued support of our mission to help as many bikers as we can worldwide. After all, it's a biker revolution. So what are you waiting for, bikeaholics? Stop stressing, get the video already. You have my personal guarantee you'll love it. You'll definitely learn a ton. And real quick, before you leave this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Every time those are hit, another biker joins the revolution. We would love to have you be part of it. And don't forget, links to everything, description below. Peace.